Are you looking to add more color to your pool? Are you wondering what can take your current setup to the next level? These LED lights are sure to do both. Add some music and LED lights, and your pool will have a better atmosphere than Mars in no time. So stop moping. Take it to the next level with these LED pool lights. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a kick booty day. So yes, you know I've had a pool in the past, and I'm always looking at ways to, upgrade the pool, make it different, add technology, so LED lights, right? Like there's been a few different things that I've tried, and I found these this year. They got a whole bunch of new products, and these ones I want to try out. These are the LED pool lights by lylmle, L-Y-L-E-M-E. So this is the RPL18 CB40 white right here. Now, yes, I don't have a pool anymore, but I can take this to my parents' house or even traveling.